Everyone, I'm recording this for myself as much as all of you. I just did a deep dive into my rights as far as when you get denied boarding on the airplane that you already checked in for. And so that I can know these rights when I go and talk to the customer service person today, and also so that you know, because I've traveled to 29 countries and I had no idea that you had all these rights. So, number one, if they delay your flight more than 4 hours, if it's you're getting on in the United States, you're entitled to $1,550 per person, and that can be given to you in cash. So if they're offering a voucher, say, no, I want it in cash, and they cannot deny that. Number two, if they deny you boarding, or it's something in their control where you cannot get on your flight and you need to stay in accommodations, they are required to pay for those accommodations and pay for your food. I did not know that. I just stayed in a hotel. I just had to eat, and they did not offer me any of that. And my flight was delayed now over 24 hours. I couldn't take my flight, and I have to wait for the next one, which is 24 hours later. And I'm an hour away from home, so I wasn't going to go home. So I needed accommodations. So they didn't offer me any of that. So when I go to the customer service person today, I'm going to request that the amount of money owed to me is given in cash. I don't want vouchers. And I'm going to ask that they retroactively pay for my lodging last night and food, because they were required to do that. And if they don't do that, I'm going to go on the Department of Transportation's website, and I'm going to go ahead and file a complaint so that they can enforce this, because these are our rights. And I find it really shady that they don't tell us our rights in the beginning, and that I have to go and research this myself, which the average person may not have the bandwidth to do. And I'm kind of lucky I even figured out that I needed to do that. And that's because of TikTok. So thank you. And I hope I'm paying it forward, hopefully. And maybe somebody needs to watch this and learn that they had rights. And that you can still follow up even if you were denied your rights. File a complaint with the Department of Transportation if you were not given these things or given these options: cash instead of voucher, lodging, and food.